So hi there, Robin here, and today we've got ourselves the Gemini GGO-230L. I think it's supposed to be called the GGO-230L because that's just kind of rolls off the tongue a little better. It's a great speaker from Gemini. It's small, it's portable, 2 3.5-inch neodymium drivers, and what that means is big bass response out of a small package. 50 watts of total power. It's got the passive drivers on the side, so it puts on a nice show, bouncing back and forth. It also gives the sound somewhere to go, so we're not wasting any sound inside this actual tube. They're going to come straight out through the ends of the unit. Now we have a light package you can turn on and off, so that's your choice. It even has bonus features like a built-in mic input jack on the back, so this way we can use karaoke, so you can play the music on your phone and then actually just sing along with it with the microphone. Pretty cool stuff because there's tons of karaoke out there, simple enough to use. One of these little extra little quirks in the actual unit. It's nice, it's cool to have. The Bluetooth is really good because it also has TWS true wireless stereo connectivity, which means you can buy two of them because they're so affordable. Why not get yourself two? When you have two of them, you can connect them up and they'll act as a left and right speaker. These are great for next to the pool, in your backyard. If the kids just want to have something for their bedroom, good way to go. If you're buying it as a gift, you really can't go wrong. If you're looking for something that's affordable, easy to use, big volume, in a small, easy to carry package, Gemini's a really nice brand to get into. How portable is it? Well, of course, it's got that lithium rechargeable battery in it. It's going to go for 7 hours of continuous use. You're not going to waste your power on this unit because if you forget it on and you're not pairing off to it or playing music on it, either way, it will turn itself off after about 5 minutes. That's another great feature built into this system. It's easy, it's simple, it's quick to use. You don't have to struggle to figure out what it is. It's advertised on your phone as the actual GGO-230L, so you can pair off to it right away. Now the unit does come included with a USB cable, which is a USB-C to USB, which can be used in reverse connectivity. So basically I can use this to any charger that you have because the charger block's not included, so you just plug it into whatever you got. It'll charge it up, but you can reverse the cable and hook it up in the back and take power from it. So let's say you took this camping and you needed to have a power backup. Well, it'll do the job for you. You can charge up your phone, get things topped up a little bit by using the actual cable included and taking some power from the actual speaker. It even includes an aux cable depending on what you need to hook it up to. And with all that said, on top of all that, just for icing on the cake, a micro USB slot in the back. So if you want to take a playlist with you, put it on that micro SD card, put it in there, you can do that as well. So now that we've talked about everything it has, how does it actually sound? So let's listen to it and then we'll take it from there. So there we go, 2 times 25, 50 watts in total, and those neodymium drivers give you a huge bang for the buck when it comes to bass performance and overall volume in the speaker. So if you're looking for an easy to use portable speaker for yourself or somebody in the family, by all means, this is a great way to go. Again, that's the GGO-230L from Gemini.